Guys, welcome back. It's Candace. Okay, so I'm going to continue with my Etsy shares with some of the Christmas pages that I have that we're going to mix and match together in our upcoming journals. So this is another AVArtDecor, and if you're looking for something, you know, with like sweets and stuff, this one is so cute. So, got some little Christmas sweets, gingerbreads, like I said. Gonna be mixing some of these together with the other one that's got the oranges and citrus and some Janeybjournal ones that's in there. I'm gonna put that on the backs, and yep. I just hope I can find them all and get them together. Some plum pudding. Genuine English plum pudding. Oh, I love gingerbread. Oh, yeah. Why can't they have a recipe for gingerbread? I might try to make some of that this year. I've never made it. Always buy it at the store. Little gingerbread house. Have any of y'all made gingerbread houses? We never have. We never even bought one of those kits that you just do it all by yourself. I think in Girl Scouts, my daughter and them did one, that they did a group one, and then they ate them, you know, for snack after they made it. But, oh, these are just so cute as far as, you know, a little traditional, some of that little citrus. Where were we? Oh, I guess when we went to get the hay Wednesday, we had stopped at Lowe's, because, you know, we had to go to the bathroom. So you drive an hour and a half, you drink. By the time you get there, you're like, woo! So we went in there and we passed by, and you could smell all that, you know, the cinnamon pine cones. Oh, I love those. So that's a pretty journal page that you can, you know, use with any other ones. It just doesn't have to be in here. You can mix and match. And this goes with a lot of traditional stuff. Okay, so it says Xmas Sweets Journal Pages. That's Christmas Sweets. And then this one, little rustic Christmas page. I know, I'm a sucker for that rustic one. Look at that little farm truck. Isn't he cute? They went to the Christmas tree farm. See, they got 2 trees. 2 trees isn't too much. I love the little wooden angels. Oh, yeah. Oh, my gosh. Do y'all ever go to the, oh, my gosh. It's the big hunting and fishing thing, Bass Outlet. And they have that huge wall with that fireplace. Oh, my gosh. Yeah. That's where I could live. Little red bird. Whew, that's not enough blankets and mittens for me, being out in that cold. Oh, cute. See, this would mix in with some blue journal too. The reindeer waltz. Yep, I'm going to be mixing those sheets. There's 2 different ones in some journals. I like that. Pretty color. So that is the Rustic Christmas Pages by AVArtDecor. And then this is her other one. It's just blank lined. This one's got 16 pages in it. Some are, oops, wrong way. Excuse me. Sorry, y'all. I mean, you got 8 pages with the lines and 8 pages that don't have lines. But those would be, you know, great for back in pages. Santa got green eyes. Ooh. That's really cute. I like that. See, it says shh. That's his brother. He's got blue eyes. It's all in the family. It's a family thing, you know. Hope I'm in frame. Didn't even page it. Yep, okay. And then this is the same pages, but without the lines, just the plain background. That would mix with those Currier and Ives pages, too. Little bunnies. Little fox baby. Oops. I'm hoping the rest of them are going to be fixed now that I just did that. Yep. Put them in upside down. Okay. And then this next one is my favorite one that I got from her on this group. Oh, yeah. But the sweets would go with it too. But if you're looking for a Christmas recipe digital kit, this one is just really cute. Those were 2 misprints, but that was my my printer's problem. All right, this one has 13 pages. So let's hope that I've got them. Let me turn this with you. So you get one page that actually has Christmas recipes and from the kitchen of. Look at all those little gingerbread babies. Yum. And then you have one that's plain, so you can write or type whatever you want to put in there if you're inclined, or if you have like stamps or those rub-on letters and stuff. That would be pretty. Or you could put like your last name and then 2021 for y'all's Christmas. And then they just got some cute little recipes in here. So you can write your special recipe. See? If I'd had that brown sugar brown pound cake that's made in the Bundt thing. Yep. 12 years I've been thinking about that. Man. I can still taste it in my brain. English chutney. But yep. And the Janeybjournal one's going to go really cute with this stuff. Gonna be a cute little... I got one of those 5-ring binder things I'm going to do with this one. I know. Like I said, I got to get this out of my system so I can get back in the game with my head. This pile is making me happy. Just don't want to think or go down that road. So, I wish it was smell-o-vision. I'd love to be able to smell some cinnamon, peppermint, gingerbread. Oh, yeah. Oh, can't grab it. Okay. And then, you know, just like this one here, I don't know if you were watching, you get one page with lines and one page with outlines. So that way you could put a pocket or something on there, or put another recipe on there. And then, like I said, these 2 were misfeds. We will be making some kind of tag or flip out or pocket or something with that. So, that is the Christmas recipe journal from AVArtDecor. All right, and then this is one of Janeybjournals. I mean, I just had to have it because it's little gnomes, and you got to get your gnomes on. So, because there's no place like home for Christmas. I know, my Nana collected gnomes. So, this is just for my notebook. So, I've got to make one of these in memory of her. With the little gnomies. Oh my gosh. Aren't they cute? Little hippie chick. Got a little flower on her. This looks like a tag to me, a big old tag. Some background paper. These are in her, I think, Mystery 2. But it's in this kit, but I think it's in her Christmas Mystery 2, Bundle 2. So I guess that's Santa Gnome and Mrs. Santa Gnome. Cute little tags. And this little envelope. Hold on, we gotta rotate. Alright, then the big tags. Another little envelope. Hold on, I'm gonna rotate. I know, I was bad. Oh, this one's wrong too, so let me just turn that around. Oh, some journal cards or pockets. Some more little tags. And then this is the same one as before. I just printed it on. This is, oh no, that's another one. I'm bad. That's another tag. But I did print this on this other paper I got. It's 45 pound. It's called Accent Opaque Digital Paper. And I got it off of Amazon. It's, you know, not so thick, but not so thin. I thought it would make pretty cool envelopes. So I printed some on this 45 pound page paper. So I wanted to see how they were going to do. I want to see, you know, because that's, you know, not quite as thick as the other stuff, but feels like, you know, double your 32 pound, even though it's not double, but it kind of feels like it's in a little bit. But I wanted to try that out and see how that goes. So that's just one of Janie's that I had to show because I thought it was cute. I have a couple more of hers that I want to flip through, but I'll do that another day. I'll spare y'all. This is just, you know, Etsy overload, but oh well. And I know we're not supposed to have a favorite, but this one is my favorite. Oh, this is from TheJournalBoat, and it's called Wonderful Christmas Time. Oh, and then you can't help but sing, having a wonderful Christmas time, simply having... Okay. Oh, but aren't these colors pretty? I mean, you could use reds, you can use pinks, you can use burgundies. Some of that stripes. But this is what got me. Oh, I'm a sucker for gingham. Especially gingham with some tan in the back. Oh, but yeah. This is so cute. I hope these envelopes aren't in the way. Sorry if they were. Let me just look and see how bad that was. Eh, oh well, you might have got some in there. Sorry. Oh gosh. Got some more of that gingham. A little gate. These little stars hanging like starlights. Oh, reindeer got bling. Somebody done blinged him up. He's been to our house. If they would stand still long enough, I sure would put some on them. Oh, the little girl in her little dress. I love those poinsettias. And I did this borderless from page to page, if you're wondering why. But I wanted to see what it would look like page to page on here. So I wouldn't have to cut or trim or anything. I'm just going to put them in there while I got to print stuff on the back. But, okay, you're going to fight with me? These are really some pretty colors. Yep, there's that red and tan, red and cream. What do they call it? Tacking, or that you use on your journals, on the spines. And this kind of, at first glance, you kind of think citrus, but it's, you know, not round, but it kind of reminds me of a citrus thing, but it's pretty paper. You can use that year round. Same thing with this one. This is really pretty. It's got like, looks like a tea stainish kind of blobbies on the back. And this is the same thing in a brownish color. It's pretty. And she's got some stripes. And then watch out for your eyeballs. This is some red and white gingham. Whew! I do like it with a little bit of the tan worked in there, so it's not so crazy on your eyeballs. All right. Whew. Gotta get rid of that one. And then here's some of her ephemera cards. Ooh. These are so cute. Let me see if I turn them this way for you. Just little mini versions of items on the pages. Cute little tags. Got some words, tickets, and some postcards, stamps. I know y'all can see them. Oh, I could just be quiet and flip. Oh, gosh. That's a pretty long envelope. And then these are the corner pockets, but I printed one regular, and then I did one borderless just so they'd be a little bigger because I wanted to see. I got this other little thing I want to try and see if it works, so I needed a bigger pocket, so that's why that extra one's on there. And then I'm upside down again. Hold on, y'all. Oh, yep. I'm a sucker for a gingham. Okay, guys. Well, that's the last one of that one. So now, you know, it's time to dig out all my Christmas plans and start figuring out what I'm going to do. All right, so that is all of these that we did. My Esty Share number 2, my B for today. So I hope y'all enjoyed watching it and seeing some new things. Maybe, you know, y'all haven't know who these people are and go check out their sites or just look at all the things they have. So thanks for sharing some of your time. Excuse me, some of your day with me. Thanks for your love and support, and I will see you guys later. So lots of kisses, lots of love, and we'll see y'all later. Bye, guys.